Welcome back to CarZone 2024, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet C10, a modern revival of a true American classic. In this video, we're focusing solely on the exterior design, performance, and heritage of this iconic truck, so let's get into it. Starting with the design, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 blends retro charm with modern-day flair. The classic C10 lines remain intact, from the straight body panels to the squared-off front grille, but everything has been updated for a more aggressive, muscular look. Up front, the large grille steals the show with bold horizontal bars, flanked by LED headlights that incorporate Chevy's signature lighting style, giving the truck a striking presence on the road. The hood features subtle sculpting, creating a sense of power and capability. The sides of the truck maintain a clean and simple aesthetic, but with pronounced wheel arches that cast larger, sportier wheels, giving it a more aggressive stance compared to its predecessors. Whether you're driving it in the city or on rugged terrain, the C10 looks ready to take on anything. The back of the truck is equally impressive, with LED taillights that provide a sharp, modern contrast to the vintage-inspired body. A tailgate with integrated step technology makes access to the bed easier, while the Chevy Bodie logo is prominently displayed at the center. The rear bumper is both stylish and functional, integrating modern features without straying from the classic look. In terms of exterior performance features, the 2025 C10 is built to perform. It features an aerodynamic body, designed not just for aesthetics but for improved fuel efficiency. Its stance is lower and wider, enhancing its handling on the road. The large wheels paired with high-performance tires make it a truck that's as capable off-road as it is on, making it an all-around performer. So, there you have it, the 2025 Chevrolet C10, a perfect blend of heritage and modern performance. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.